The next project is going to be putting this boom mat down, because I don't know if you guys remember or not, but we had to take the carpet out, and I'm going to finish taking the carpet out on the driver's side today. When, what was it, Jenna, that happened?
It was your heater coil went out and antifreeze leaked all into...
Oh, and it stunk so bad.
Yeah, and mostly on the passenger side, so we did pull up that carpet last year. Yeah. So now we have to pull up the carpet on the driver's side. We left it for insulation until we could do this project.
Yeah, because it wasn't saturated, and we were able to clean it.
Yeah. So...
No. All right, so y'all
Seats
ignore.
Are coming out.
Yeah, y'all ignore the messes. This is a project day.
Project day.
Project day. You guys, this is going to make such a huge difference, because if you can tell how thick that boom mat is, and I've been driving, those carpet pieces were kind of laying around, but they scooted, and I've been driving with the bare metal and that heat and everything coming in from the engine through there, and it's just going to make such a difference in the quality of the rig, and for heat in the summer and cold in the winter, because the same thing when I'm driving and it's cold and that wind is coming through there, what a difference this is going to be. So if you guys go back and watch my video, you'll see where we had to get, and I'll put the links in the video description below, but we had to hire somebody to meet us in the Home Depot parking lot, and they had to go underneath and cut the bolts. But we tightened them up ourselves instead of letting him do it with his machine when we put the seats back in. So today they shouldn't be as hard to get out, hopefully. We got our fingers crossed. So Jana is getting the cardboard that we used for painting the propane tank and prepping it and everything. And I said, I can go underneath. And what did you say, Jana?
I said no, because I'm a professional.
So Jana is underneath, and I am going to be taking the bolts loose up top. Yeah. All he did was cut it. We didn't take it out. Oh, watch your head. It's like it's glued to the carpet. Okay. Let's just scoot it back. Okay. Lift off. One is out. Y'all don't look at my nasty carpet. I didn't clean it because I knew we were going to be changing out flooring. That one's being a booger bear. Making progress.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too funny. Old wire speakers.
Oh, speaker wire.
Yeah, speaker wire. Okay, now comes time for one of my favorite parts, cleaning with my Ryobi shop vac. I love this thing. Okay, this side of the floor is clean, and we're going to put the boom mat down. Did find one rust spot, and that's a little concerning, so we're going to spray it. Guys, so I want to tell you that I'm using boom mat instead of any other kind of floor insulation, because if you go back to when we were taking the carpet out and everything, do you remember the girl's name at it was at O'Reilly's, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to go back and even look on that video. But she was so helpful and she remodels old cars. And she goes, guys, if you're going to be redoing the floor, you want boom mat. And so that's what we're going to be putting down. But first we got some prep to do. We got to silicone the holes that we're not going to be using again, and get rid of this rust spot. It really concerns me that I have that big of a rust spot in my rig. And it's going to shoot some silicone, man. Shake, rattle, and roll. That's our neighbor's dog. Bandit is laying on the flooring that's going in. Him and Sammy have their little doggy mats. Okay, I bought 3 rolls of boom mat. The white side goes down. Been carrying this for over a year in my shower clothes hamper. So it's going to give me more storage space, make it easier to get in and out of my shower. But we've got to put 3 rolls down. Of course, the middle section will be cut. And then cut the outside, trim it up.
Because when we do this, we'll poke the holes and don't do that under there.
Yes. Operation leaving leaving our surgery tools in the patient.
Yeah.
First cut
Is the deepest.
Baby, I know. So this is what the carpet looks like that we're going to be cutting and putting over the top of it. And I just did a sample piece to make sure it adheres to the boom mat. The boom mat is white on bottom that's facing the floor. And what do you think, Jana? You think that's going to adhere?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
It's attached.
I don't think we're going to have a problem.
No.
Yay! Your goggles for you.
Thank you.
And she's going back in.
Going in.
Going in. Sammy says, what are you doing, Mama?
You know,
Bando says, what are you doing?
what are you doing? You're gonna help me? Huh? You gonna help me?
So Jana worked on the rest of the boom mat while I washed all of the carpet squares. This is the end of day 1. Tomorrow is carpet installation. Okay, day 2, we went back to the store, had to get some more cans of Gorilla Spray. I had 3 cans, but 2 of them were old and quit working. Got some more N95 mask, and I'm fixing to show you what I'm going to do with this fabric. And then there's the stack of the 10 carpet squares. Okay, so let me tell you guys why I'm using carpet squares instead of like the linoleum and pretty stuff that you can get these days. And it's surely because of money. I got these carpet squares last year at Dollar Tree in Flagstaff for $1 each. That's before Dollar Tree went up to $1.25. And so 10 squares for $10, I'm going to have floor covering. Now, of course, the boom mat and the spray adhesive and everything is cost to the floor. But I that you have to have, and I'm happy to have it. And I can also tell you that this is my, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4th rig. And if I was building a rig or redoing floors on a rig, I would make sure that I used this boom mat. It is incredible. And the spray adhesive is all you need. I'm sure there's better ways to do it, but this works for me. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I would put boom mat under any flooring I did. So I hope that helps, and you can go in the video description or the pinned comment below and get the links for it. You can find it on my Amazon store under Debra Does RV Life also. All right, let's get started on today's project. Okay, my idea for the fabric is on places like this to tuck it in, and then the carpet, because the carpet's not going to go here, it just won't mold to that. And again, I'm doing this on a budget. That's why we're doing it like we are. And so the material will come under the carpet, and then the carpet square will go here. In the meantime, Jana is working on laying out the carpet squares starting at the back, and then we have a metal rim that will go over trim where it goes over where the carpet and the linoleum meets. Okay guys, so I'm just going to give you a progress update. We are doing Reflectix underneath the seams in case this separates. We're doing a little bit of a checkerboard pattern, and have covered the edges of the boom mat just to protect it, and then we're going to have a long one going up here. So and then we'll cut this off, and I'll put fabric underneath on this end too to protect the exposed boom edge here when we get done. So this is what the driver's side looks like. We will cut this off even, but you can see why I put fabric over the wheel well, because we can't mold that carpet to it. But look how beautiful this looks, and now we're going to put the chair in. Jana is going underneath once again, and going to drill up, and I'm going to watch for where the holes are for the chair. What you got there, Jana?
Q-tip.
Yeah, in case anybody's wondering how serious that boom mat stuff is, she already got this off of her drill.
Yeah.
And now it left it with it, leaving it like a Q-tip. All right, we got the driver's seat in and the rest of the carpet in. Woohoo! And what we're going to do now is put the passenger seat in. What do y'all think? Hey you guys, I couldn't show you Jenna underneath and drilling up because I was having to hold the carpet and help, but so we've got the 4 holes drilled, and she is drilling down, and then we'll put the passenger seat in. It's been a long 2 days. Yes. Okay, wait, it came out. Okay. That's as much as I can push down.
Can't push it down anymore.
Well, hang on. Okay, how's that? Yeah. That should do it. Okay. So we just have one more bit of stuff to do, and that's putting the metal trims back on. And I'll get you some final clips when we're DUNN done.